another wig review. Today we have a whole lot of awesomeness going on in this video. Today we are reviewing three, not one, not two, but 3 units from Outre's Melted Hairline collection. Yeah, that's a lot of work. Yeah, so we're definitely putting in overtime over here in today's video. In addition to that, I am also collabing with my girl Carrie M. Yeah, she's absolutely one of my favorite YouTubers. Discovered her when I came back to YouTube. Oh my gosh, you guys, Carrie is so super duper beautiful and talented. She just got through doing a Halloween makeup look series where she was like recreating looks for Halloween, and she did this Mad Hatter tutorial that was insanely creative and so beautiful, and just I was just like awe-inspired. So you will definitely find makeup looks on her channel. In addition to that, you'll also find budget-friendly wig reviews like I do. In addition to that, she also does beauty makeup reviews as well. So it's a lot of wonderful things that you can find on her channel. If you're not already subscribed, be sure when you get done to head on over and check out her video that she'll be reviewing in our collab today. What's extra cool too is that she has reviewed the units in the Melted Hairline collection from Outre as well. You guys need to check out her take on these units. Okay, so let's dive right in. Outre is not playing this holiday season. Leading up until the holidays, Outre has literally every month been dropping so many gorgeous, beautiful units, particularly in their Melted Hairline collection. And of course, we're all just swooning and going crazy over them. So yes, Outre is coming for our pocketbooks. They're coming for our coins. And I have to admit, you guys, Outre's units that they've been coming out with, especially with this Melted Hairline series, they are definitely worth your pretty penny. So again, today I'm reviewing 3 units. The first unit that I'm reviewing is Myranda, which is what I am wearing right now. Definitely one of my faves in the collection, and I'll tell you a little bit why later. I'm also going to be reviewing Zandra as well as Seraphine. I've actually already reviewed the unit Roslyn in a previous video. I initially wanted to do all of them in one video, but unfortunately, you know, it didn't work out that way. But I'll leave the link to that review somewhere in the video details, or I'll leave it in the description. So we all know what the Melted Hairline is all about. It's supposed to offer you a natural, realistic looking hairline. Typically, you know, we're melting the lace. We're using some type of glue or adhesive to tack her down. But the overall look and feel of the unit is supposed to be very seamless, very, very natural, offering us versatility and options if we do not want to have any of our own natural hair left out. So before I go in depth with all of the units individually, I just want to offer you guys some general specs that I see across all of the units. All of the units comes with combs and adjustable straps. In addition to that, you also get a stretchy elastic band on all of the units as well. You get a 2x5 parting space with the lace. So the parting space is actually already going to come pre-made. So it'll already come parted. But you can actually manipulate the parting if you like to move it over to the right or move it over to the left. It's totally up to you. All of the units also come with natural baby hairs. In addition to that, the hairline and the parting space is pre-tweezed. So I think that I have said this about the Melted Hairline. I think I can confirm it with today's unit, because I have reviewed about 4 units in the collection so far to date. And all of these units are running very snug. They fit very, very tight. So if you are big head friendly, yeah, beware. I've also experienced this in the Perfect Hairline collection from Outre as well. So I'm not sure. I'm just feeling like those units from that collection just tend to run a little snug and with a tight fit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a deeper look at each of the units. Okay guys, first things first, let's get into Myranda in this beautiful color DR4 Sandy Blonde. Absolutely beautiful, and you guys know I love me a simple, cute, everyday style like this. Swoop bangs, lots of layers that give it so much depth and dimension. Oh my god, you guys, plus the texture is a light yaki texture, which just makes it even better. As you can see, the back is tapered in the back, so it just gives it a lot of body and a lot of fullness. This is absolutely one of my favorite units in the entire collection. Oh my goodness, it's just absolutely beautiful, perfect everyday style. Plus you can, you know, choose a really cute, fun variety color that they offer to spice it up. And look at that hairline, you guys. I mean, yeah, it melted. You saw the install. Yeah, the hair was fairly easy to install, and I'm pretty much a beginner at melting lace, but I am very, very pleased with the hairline, and the parting space is slightly curved, which makes it look even more realistic. Now I will say that this unit, I did not experience any tangling, no shedding. The hair is just very soft, very, very natural, very easy to manage. The cap space is a little bit tight on this unit, but all in all, this is definitely a fave and definitely worth your money. So yes, let's talk about Miss Seraphine in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. You guys, I was actually nervous about reviewing this wig because I've seen so many reviews that weren't so flattering. Now I'm going to be honest with you, Seraphine definitely comes with her issues, but Seraphine is a look. Like, I was totally feeling myself wearing this wig. I'm loving the layers. I'm loving the hairline. I didn't even glue this down, you guys, and look at that hairline. It looks absolutely flawless and seamless and very, very natural. Some of the things that we kind of had issues with Seraphine is that she's a little thin. She looks like a natural density right here, but there were some instances where she definitely was coming across thin. But I love the body that, you know, with the layers that she does have, she gives you a good amount of, you know, movement, and she flows with you. Look at those highlights and how they frame the face. As you can see, yeah, right there I was getting some tangles. This is not a unit that you can effortlessly run your fingers through, but I would just minimize the manipulation of this unit as much as possible. But she definitely is a look. Like, she's absolutely gorgeous. The length on this unit has to be around I would say 24 to 26 inches. And when we were talking about the unit being thin, when I went back and looked at this, you know, footage, you guys, as you can see the tracks in the back because the hair is thin. We could have used a little bit more density and fullness on this unit for Miss Seraphine Outre, but regardless of all of that, I still love her. Like, she's so pretty, and I love the way this unit looks on me. All she needed was a little bit more fullness, and she would have been perfect. The cap space on this unit is also a little bit tight. So now up for discussion is Miss Zandra in the color DRFF Cajun Spice. I thought I was gonna like fall in love with Zandra, but I didn't care for her so much, and I don't know. You can even tell at the look on my face, like, she was not one of my favorite units. I just didn't feel like the style was very flattering for me. The cut is very flat on this unit. Not a lot of layers cut in this unit. The hair just looks, I don't know. And so for some people, they may like that flat, you know, sleek style, but for me, it just wasn't very flattering on my face shape or frame. And despite the other two units, Myranda and Seraphine, having pretty snug fit caps, the cap space on this unit was fairly roomy. So I feel like that kind of played into the unit being too humpy at the top. I don't know, just not one of my favorite units. I didn't have to glue this unit down either. A plus is that I felt like, despite not gluing her down, that she still gave me a very natural and seamless type of a look when it came to my hairline. But yeah, that's Zandra. So that's it, guys. Tell me, what are your thoughts? Which unit in the collection is your favorite? I'd like to send out a special thank you to Outre for partially sponsoring this video by sending me a unit to review in the collection for this video. Don't forget, you guys, to head on over to my girl Carrie M and her channel to watch her video that she did for our epic collab. I just know that you guys are going to fall in love. So until my next wig review, I will see you guys later. Bye.